Hey DIY enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. Today we are packed with tools, but only a few are true game changers. In this video, we're revealing 20 game-changing tools under $10 to $150 on Amazon that will completely upgrade your projects and everyday life. From budget-friendly tools under $10 to pro-level tools around $150, this list has it all. DIY must-haves, garage workshop tools, and woodworking finds that are blowing up right now. Whether you're a DIY beginner, a maker, or just love discovering unique tools, you're going to find something here that changes the way you work. Without further ado, let's dive in. Accurately testing and preparing network cables is essential for reliable connections. The Klein Tools Cable Tester Kit includes the LandScout Junior 2, a coax crimper, stripper, cutter tool, and a 50-pack of pass-through modular data plugs. Offering a complete solution for professionals, it tests installed or loose data cables terminated with RJ45 connectors, identifying open, short, miswiring, split pair, crossover, and shield faults. The large backlit LCD ensures clear pin-to-pin wire map results even in low-light conditions, while its intuitive 3-button interface simplifies operation. With auto power-off, a rugged overmold grip, a replaceable remote, and AAA batteries, it delivers both durability and convenience. Perfect for cable tracing, testing, and fast connector installations. Working on suspension systems requires a reliable tool to compress and release springs safely. Meet the Punmew Strut Spring Compressor Tool, a universal interchangeable fork coil spring compressor designed for easy disassembly and assembly of McPherson shock absorber springs. Compatible with BMW and Mercedes-Benz vehicles, it provides versatile use with 3 configuration options for different strut springs. Built from high-quality forged steel, it ensures durability and stability under pressure. The jaws feature a safety lip to securely lock springs, enhancing operator safety. Complete with a compression rod, yokes, and adjustment hook, fixing screws, and a sturdy blow case, this kit is perfect for safe, efficient suspension repair. Keeping bicycle tires properly inflated is essential for safety and performance. The Park Tool Shop Inflator is built and designed specifically for bicycles, offering durability and precision for everyday shop use. It features a redesigned, more durable 360-degree rotatable head compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, ensuring versatile use. A built-in pressure gauge with a protective boot and a bleed valve button allows for accurate adjustments, while the lighter weight body and redesigned trigger provide comfort and multiple hanging options. Fully rebuildable for long-term reliability, this professional-grade inflator is ideal for bike shops, mechanics, and cyclists who demand consistent, accurate tire inflation. Accurate and efficient measurement is vital for both professional and personal projects. The Fanttik digital laser tape measure is a 2-in-1 tool combining a 165 feet rechargeable laser measurement device with a 9.8 feet measuring tape, making it versatile for distance, area, and volume tasks. Featuring an HD IPS color display, it ensures clear data visibility even in bright outdoor light, eliminating manual reading errors. With 6 selectable units, 3 reference points, and tripod compatibility, it adapts easily to corners, ceilings, and high-altitude measurements. Type-C charging and 30 data storage add convenience, while its high-precision technology makes it perfect for construction, interior design, or home improvement work. Dealing with piles of cardboard after deliveries can be time-consuming and tedious. The BoxBlayde electric cardboard cutter makes this job quick and effortless with the press of a button, cutting boxes in seconds at home or the office. Its ergonomic design ensures a firm grip, while dual rechargeable batteries provide up to 2 hours of continuous cutting. Using standard utility knife blades, replacements are simple and cost-effective. This cutter saves time, reduces effort, and turns a once laborious task into something efficient and even enjoyable. Perfect for managing packaging waste, it's ideal for homes, warehouses, or offices where cardboard disposal is frequent. Installing door latches and locks with precision requires the right tool for accuracy and ease. The Disston Door Latch Mortise tool is designed for use with 1 3/4 inch or 1 3/8 inch thick doors, offering a clean, professional installation every time. It features an outline blade for smooth, accurate cuts and a guidepost that matches the 1-inch door edge bore for simple placement. With its preset depth, it ensures precise flush mounting without guesswork. A handy printed guide helps remove material efficiently, saving time and effort. Perfect for installing doorknobs, handles, or locks, this tool delivers reliable results for both DIY users and professionals. Installing a door lock requires accuracy, the right fit, and dependable tools to ensure proper function and security. The KATA door lock installation kit is designed for wooden doors ranging from 1 3/8 inches to 1 3/4 inches thick, with a U-type adjustable plastic guide template for precision. It includes durable carbon steel hole saws and an arbor for reliable drilling performance. The adjustable template fits both 2 3/8 inches and 2 3/4 inches back sets, ensuring versatility for various lock types. With snap lock arms, the template allows for quick width and back set selection, making installation simple in 4 steps. Perfect for DIY users and professionals, it enables clean, accurate lock set installations on wood doors. Working with self-leveling epoxy floors requires precision and avoiding footprints that can ruin the finish. The Fanttik epoxy floor. Spike shoes are fully assembled and ready to use, designed for garage floor epoxy, overlays, and cover installations. Featuring 3/4 inch short spikes securely fixed with nylon locking nuts, they ensure stability and prevent loosening during work. Adjustable straps provide a non-slip, sturdy fit suitable for all sizes, while a free small wrench allows easy maintenance. These epoxy spike shoes protect your design, letting you move freely without leaving marks. Essential for self-leveling and overlay construction, they improve safety and efficiency on the job. Accurate and strong cable connections are essential for electrical and mechanical work. The Brylean hydraulic crimping tool delivers up to 100 kilonewtons of crimping force, ideal for both battery cable crimping and wire rope swagging. Equipped with 9 standard hexagonal dies processed via EDM wire cutting, it ensures precise, reliable crimps for copper, aluminum, and stainless steel. Its ergonomic handle with a non-slip surface allows comfortable operation, while simplified on-off control enables quick die changes. Suitable for all battery and welding cables, building wiring, and terminal lugs, this professional hydraulic tool is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking efficiency, precision, and durability. Precise and clean sealant application is essential for professional quality finishes. The SILIGUN Gen 3 caulking gun is a no-drip solution designed to work with all 10-ounce tubes, including latex, silicone, and polyurethane. Its patented design eliminates a pushrod sticking out the back, allowing easy access to tight spaces without scratching walls. The lightweight ABS frame ensures comfort during prolonged use, while the 12:1 push ratio contracting collar delivers a smooth, uniform bead. Compact and easy to store, it features a built-in hook for hanging and can be trimmed to fit smaller tubes, ideal for windows, trim, tiles, and general sealing tasks. Every home needs reliable tools for quick repairs and DIY projects. The CARTMAN tool set is a comprehensive 39-piece kit designed for general household use. It includes essential tools like a hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, a tape measure, and more, all crafted from heat-treated, chrome-plated materials for corrosion resistance and durability. The included plastic toolbox keeps everything organized and secure, while the lightweight design with a carrying handle ensures easy portability. Perfect for small repairs, home improvement tasks, or DIY projects, this versatile tool set is also an excellent gift choice for friends and family, combining practicality with convenience and reliability. Accurately replicating shapes and angles is essential for precise home improvement and woodworking projects. The JOREST Connectable Contour Gauge is a versatile shape profile duplicator that comes with a lock for secure measurements. Its 5-inch and 10-inch gauges can be spliced together, providing 3 sizes for various tasks. The gauge works seamlessly with tools like pallet busters, bradawls, caulking tools, and oscillating tools, making it ideal for flooring, tiling, carpet cutting, wallpapering, wall paneling, molding, woodworking, and DIY projects. Features include a double-sided scale in inches and centimeters, adjustable blade tension, and easy-to-use pressing for tracing odd shapes, perfect for handymen, craftsmen, and designers. Removing tough residues and old coatings efficiently is essential for cleaning and maintenance tasks. The REXBETI razor blade scraper tool comes as a 2-pack set with 80 extra blades, 30 metal and 50 plastic, perfectly suited for various surfaces. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and heavy-duty use, while the sharp blades tackle paint, glue, stickers, caulk, and stains on cooktops, windows, floors, and metal surfaces. The tool features a safe 3-position retractable mechanism and easy blade replacement, with all blades stored in a reusable plastic box. Metal blades handle rough surfaces, and plastic blades protect delicate glass and wood, making it ideal for cleaning, scraping, and renovation projects. Precision and efficiency in fastening tasks are essential for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. The WORKPRO Tools Ratcheting Wrench Set is an 8-piece flex head combination set with SAE sizes from 5/16 to 3/4 inch. Constructed from CRV steel and nickel-coated for strength, durability, and rust resistance, each wrench features a 180-degree pivoting flex head on the box end for hard-to-reach fasteners, fitting a 12-point spline, external torque, and rounded heads. The 72-tooth internal ratcheting gear engages with just a 5-degree swing, while the open end adds versatility in tight spaces. A durable roll-up storage pouch keeps wrenches organized, perfect for auto repair, maintenance, and mechanical projects. Precise and efficient plumbing tools are essential for faucet and sink installations. The RIDGID Easy Change Faucet Tool is a multi-purpose undersink plumbing device designed to help plumbers work faster and more efficiently on supply lines, fittings, and nuts. Its extra-long handle easily reaches mounting nuts on faucets and sprayers, while the shutoff valve attachment turns hard-to-reach angles stops without marring chrome. The open slot allows access over existing supply lines, and the strainer basket attachment holds drain units in place during installation or removal. Constructed with durable materials and metal inserts, it tackles hex nuts from 5/8 inch to 1 inch, making faucet and sink work simpler and safer. Accurate leveling and alignment are essential for construction and home improvement projects. The Elikliv laser level is a 200-foot green laser tool featuring 2 times 360 degrees crosslines and self-leveling capabilities. Designed for precision tasks like construction, picture hanging, flooring, tiling, ceiling installation, and cabinetry. It uses a high-quality Japanese sharp green laser for stable output and exceptional brightness, with an outdoor pulse mode extending the range up to 200 feet. Built with durable metal, TPR, and rubber materials, it ensures stability and protection during use. Rechargeable batteries and a cushioned tool case add convenience, making this 16-line laser level reliable, precise, and versatile. Reliable tools are essential for home repairs, DIY projects, and general maintenance. The KingTool Home Repair Toolkit is a 325-piece general household and auto repair set designed for homeowners, DIYers, and handymen. It comes with a durable one-drawer toolbox featuring molded compartments for organized storage and easy access. All tools are made from high-quality steel with a heat-treated chrome finish and TPR handles for comfort, durability, and corrosion resistance. The kit includes professional-grade wrenches, a 72-tooth ratchet, a variety of screwdriver bits, pliers, a hammer, and more, making it perfect for small repairs, construction work, workshops, or as a thoughtful gift. Every home needs a reliable set of tools for repairs, maintenance, and improvement projects. The WORKPRO Tools Homeowners Tool Set is an 87-piece comprehensive hand tool kit designed for DIY enthusiasts. It includes wrenches, a hammer, pliers, magnetic screwdrivers, bits, hex keys, sockets, a ratchet, and an adapter, all neatly organized in a portable gatefold case with a soft anti-slip grip handle for easy carrying. The gatefold design ensures tools are secure and accessible while the sturdy organizer storage case keeps everything in place. Perfect for home repair, maintenance, and improvement tasks, this set equips homeowners with everything needed for versatile, reliable performance. Precision and versatility are essential for any modern DIY or professional workspace. The HOTO SNAPBLOQ Modular tools offer a fully customizable and expandable modular tool system consisting of 3 professional kits, a precision screwdriver kit, a mini rotary tool kit, and a mini drill kit. Each kit features a pen-shaped electric tool paired with magnetic snap-together accessory modules. The precision screwdriver includes 56 S2 steel bits, a brushless motor, an LED light, 3 torque settings, and auto stop for component protection. The mini rotary kit delivers up to 22,000 RPM with 38 accessories, while the mini drill offers 3 speeds, 20 high-speed drill bits, and LED illumination. Perfect for creative projects and home workshops. Cleaning grout can be a tedious and physically demanding task, but it doesn't have to be. Meet the Grout Cleaning Machine, a lightweight, safe, and efficient solution for scrubbing dirty tile grout in kitchens, bathrooms, and hallways. Weighing less than 4 pounds, it saves time, effort, and money while being safe for all grout types. The machine assembles easily in 3 pieces, includes a 20-foot power cord, and comes with a brush guard and brush wheel for effective scrubbing. Simply attach the sections, secure with screws, and insert the brush wheel. Use with any household cleaner for a quick, professional-quality grout cleaning experience. And that's our list of the 20 game-changing tools under $10 to $150 on Amazon. Which tool is going straight onto your shopping list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy discovering cool and affordable tools, hit that like button, share this with your DIY friends and tool lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon finds, garage workshop gadgets, and must-have tools. Stay smart, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.